Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your device is missing important security and quality fixes. So if perhaps you're trying to run the Windows update through the modern UI interface and you're getting this little error in red text, this tutorial will be for you. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in gpedit.msc. Best match should come back with gpedit.msc. Left click on that one time. Please note if you're running Windows 10 Home that this method will not apply for you, and I would actually suggest just going into the installed updates through the control panel and try and uninstall any recently installed updates. I think that would probably be a good shot for you. However, if you're able to access a local group policy editor, we're going to go ahead and minimize the user configuration folder. So I'm just going to left click on the little arrow underneath it because there's a lot of duplicate folders on both the computer configuration and the user configuration side. I just want to make sure we're working in the correct area for this tutorial, and that would be to go underneath computer configuration. So it should already be expanded in its full view here. Then you want to expand administrative templates. Now you want to expand Windows components. So again, computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components. Now we're going to scroll down until we get to data collection and preview builds. So just left click on that one time. On the right side now it should say allow telemetry. Double click on that. Or alternatively, you could just left click where it says edit. You could select policy setting. And now that we're in this allow telemetry window here, you want to go ahead and select enabled. And underneath the options you want to click this drop down here, select enhanced, and if you scroll on the right side here you can see exactly what it does, and then left click on apply and OK, with just restarting your computer, and hopefully that has resolved your problem at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.